starting to get dark here. Stop the music.
Hello? Isn't this so weird?
So weird.
The light quality?
Feels like a filter. It's like a light.
Yeah.
Was that the gimbal with the joystick on it?
Yeah.
But it's not like sunset. It's more like a neutral density filter. A whole bunch of them. That is so weird. It's not. I thought it would be like sunset. There we go. Little, but it's there. Wow, this is really spooky light. This is not capturing the light at all. It is weary. Weird. Wow. Oh. Wow, Nelly, did that go fast at the end? Oh my God. Holy crap. You can't see this, but it's incredible. Oh, I got my glasses on. It's back. This is more like a spotlight than a sunrise. Holy cow. That was incredible. Ah, nice. Do.